Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a gift wrap to your Amazon order. First, find the product you want to send as a gift. You can only add gift wrap while placing an order, not afterward. On the product page, tap Add to Cart, then go to your cart. On the right side, check the box that says this order contains a gift. If you have multiple items, choose which ones are gifts. Next, click Proceed to Checkout. Enter your shipping address, then scroll down to Gift Options. Here you can select Gift Wrap and even add a personalized message if you want. Once you've selected your options, just complete your purchase and your gift will arrive beautifully wrapped and ready to impress. And that's it. Sending a gift through Amazon is quick, easy, and thoughtful. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.